Welcome to our lesson on multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Today, we're going to see how to multiply the whole number 6 by the fraction 1/3. Let's start with our initial expression. 6 multiplied by 1/3. When multiplying a whole number by a fraction, we can think of it as repeated addition of the fraction. First, we want to rewrite the whole number as a fraction by placing it over 1. This doesn't change its value, but helps us to see it in the same format as our fraction. Next, we multiply the numerators together, and we multiply the denominators together. This is just like multiplying any two fractions. Now, multiplying the numerators, 6 times 1 results in 6, and in the denominator, 1 times 3 results in 3. Thus, we have 6 over 3. The final step is to simplify the fraction. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, which simplifies our expression to 2. So, the result of multiplying 6 by 1/3 is 2. This demonstrates the straightforward process of multiplying a whole number by a fraction.